If there is one topic that can scare every CS student, you know what topic is that? That is dynamic programming. We have been all there when you see a problem and try to solve it, and you see that it is a simple recursion, but after you solve and hit the submit button, what you will get? Time limit exit. Then you went for the optimal solution and you see there that only 3 lines of code are written in the solution, that is dp of I, dp of I minus 1 or whatever. Then you think, how I supposed to come up with these solutions? So why this is so hard? Honestly, the reason is our brains are not built for this. Human brains thinks linear, like step A leads to step B, but DP forces you to think backward and sideways at the same time. Imagine I ask you a question, what is 50 plus 50? You will calculate and answer that it is 100. And if I ask you the same question after 10 seconds later, you will say 100 because you have calculated that 10 seconds before. This is what DP do. Remember a golden rule of dynamic programming, that DP doesn't solve a problem twice. As I am solving the dynamic programming, here's my biggest topic. Stop trying to be a genius. Everyone tries to write that complex iterative solution. Don't do that. First go with the messy brute force solution, write it, and if that works, go for the optimization, like adding a dictionary or cache to store the answers. Boom, that is the dynamic programming. So don't be fooled by its name, dynamic programming, that it is hyped as the most hardest topic. Yeah, it is, but generally it is an recursion with a memory.